A night by the river. Ring, ring. The phone is ringing. My mother answers it. Hello, she says. It is for you. When I pick up the phone, I hear a boy's voice. It is a boy I go to school with. This boy is very nice, and he is cute too. He asks me if I want to go out for dinner with him tonight. I say yes. He's going to pick me up at 5:30 p.m. in the evening. Before he picks me up, I have to find an outfit to wear. I am nervous and don't know what to wear, so my sister picks out an outfit for me. I feel excited and have the sensation of butterflies in my stomach. I put on my outfit and do my hair. My sister gives me some nice clips to put in my hair. Ding dong, the doorbell buzzes. My date is here. I hurry to the door so I can greet him. He tells me that I look nice and that we are going to a place called Empty Bellies. When we arrive, there is loud music playing. A smiling waitress comes who serves us our food. I order a large Caesar salad. My date orders steak. When it arrives, the food looks and is delicious. When we leave the restaurant, we go for a walk by the river. It is a beautiful night. I am laughing and having fun. It is time for us to go home. My date takes me home. I smile and thank him for the great time. I hope he'll ask me out again.